MasterCard, fill my flat. MasterCard International. The world is so welcome. Your taste is impeccable. MasterCard. Home is where the card is. International.
I bought my bubbles in Bimini.
I bought my skis in Aspen.
No, Switzerland.
So worthy, so welcome.
I bought my tan in Spain. Olay.
So worthy, so welcome.
MasterCard, the only name you need beside your own.
MasterCard International. So worthy, so welcome. So worthy, so welcome. MasterCard International.
Just off Route 19 in St. Petersburg is a place where you can learn to ski the Alps and shoot the rapids all in the same building. At Bill Jackson Sporting Goods, you can practice everything from a stem Christie to an Eskimo roll. But if you go there, remember, bring your imagination and your Visa card. Because Bill Jackson doesn't promise you sun Moritz, and he doesn't take American Express. Visa, it's everywhere you want to be.
High above the Loire Valley is a castle that has enchanted travelers since the Middle Ages. But now travelers of all ages can be enchanted at the Hotel de la Bretèche. But if you go there, remember, bring your nose for wine and your Visa card. Because you can't check out without a glass of Pouilly Fumé. And you can't check in with American Express. Visa, it's everywhere you want to be.
200 years ago, the only way to see Sydney Harbor was from the deck of a prison ship. Today, you can relax in the back of a water taxi as you cruise to Watson's Bay and Doyle's on the beach, where you can feast on everything from Sydney rock oysters to Tasmanian trout. But if you go, come early and bring your Visa Gold card. Because at Doyle's, they don't run their water taxi all night, and they don't take American Express. Visa Gold, it's everywhere you want to be.
Only 3 days left, counselor.
Then it's back to the courtroom in three-piece lawsuits.
It's used more than any other.
Hey, I paid last time.
For travel, shopping, entertaining, and cash.
Objection. I picked up dinner in Santa Barbara.
Overruled. Who bought supplies at Bodega Bay?
Immaterial.
There's very little you can't do with Visa.
Let's be reasonable, counselor. You buy it.
It's all you need.